Good afternoon. I want to check out.
Good afternoon, miss. May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Riza Fajria.
May I know your room number?
Room 101, and this is the key room.
Alright, miss. Wait a moment. Let me check your payment cash receipt. This is your cash receipt, and please check it.
Oh yeah, sure. I'm sorry, I don't have laundry invoice. Can you please remove this one?
Alright, miss. I apologize this incident. Wait a moment. Let me check confirmation with housekeeping. Housekeeping monitor. Please check laundry invoice under name Miss Riza Fitria, number room 202. Alright, thank you. Miss Riza, I apologize for this incident. Our hotel will serve you for free transportation to bring your next destination. Are you agree, miss?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Alright, miss. Our car waiting you in lobby, and thank you for your staying with us. Have a nice day.
Oh, you too. Have a good day.